Hello everyone, welcome to WebTech Tutorials. Today's tutorial is about how to unfollow someone on Facebook. Before moving on, if you have not subscribed to our channel, hit the subscribe button to WebTech Tutorials for web contents and tutorials in our channel. So, if you are following someone on Facebook and now you don't want to see their post anymore, then you can just unfollow them but not unfriend them from Facebook. To unfollow someone on Facebook, either unfollow a page or you want to unfollow a Facebook user, simply go to their profile. Then you will see the three dots beside their Facebook username and message button. Tap on the three dots. Then you will be given the options like following, share, recommend, save, suggest, edit, and create pages. Whether it is a page or Facebook user you want to unfollow, simply tap on the following button and then you can see here your subscriptions page appears. You can go at the unfollow button in your news feed over here. For now it is on the default, that means you are following this person. If you tap on unfollow, then from now you will stop seeing the post from this page or this respective user after unfollowing them. So if you want to see their post first, then you can also tap on the see first. But since you are going to unfollow them and not see their post anymore in your newsfeed, tap on unfollow. You can also turn off the notification button by going to get notification, and you will also stop getting notifications from this very page. After that, just go back and then you will stop following this very page, and after refreshing you will not see any post from that page in your Facebook news feed. I hope this video was helpful to you guys and you have learned how to unfollow someone or some page on Facebook. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel. Also hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. If you have any questions, you can mention them in the comment section.